Okay, I think it's that time again. I need to do another makeup video tutorial thing. Yes, because it's been some time. Yeah! Okay, look, I got a new setup. Isn't that good? I'm gonna put the base on first and then I'll get back to you. So hold on a second. Take that out of there. Got the base on. Right, let me give you the lowdown of the idea I had. I saw these flowers growing in our garden, and for some reason we keep getting different seeds just sort of float into our garden. We're not trying to purposely plant them there, they just end up there. And one of them was a forget-me-not, I think that's what they're called. And so I'm going to do that on my eyes, and then I'm going to take you with me and show you how I take pictures. Okay? So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I need some pictures for reference. Hold on! Okay. Forget me not flower. I will put a reference on the screen somewhere. Yeah. So I got a little yellow bit in the middle, and then little like pokey out white bits, and then blue, lots of blue. I wanted to do a softer clown look today because I had already done recently on my Instagram, I had already done a sort of edgy look. So and also it's daytime. I don't do edgy looks in the daytime. I don't know why, I just don't. Cool? Okay. I feel like the more I do these makeup videos, the more they will get cleaner and better over time. So what I'm saying is I need to start doing this more often, but for now, my videos are a mess. You're just gonna have to put up with that. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what I'm doing! Palette. I think that'd be a good blue. I think that would be a good blue. I can add a bit of sparkle to it as well. I got white in there as well, but I gotta say, it's not very good. And there's yellow in there too. So let's get on with it. Okay, so some of this I will be voicing over. So I'm using this brush because it's little, and I will do the shapes of the petals. And yeah, you're just gonna watch and you're gonna see what I mean soon enough. I'm not very good at explaining, sorry. So as you can see, I'm drawing on a few petals, and yeah. Oh my god. So now I'll start to colour them in, but eventually I'll figure out that this is a waste of time. Also, my eyes began to burn because I got makeup in them. I think I've come up with an idea. I think I might do it so that it's not the same. Hi, it's me again. I've sort of cut into this because there's no point in me explaining my idea because this is a waste of time, and you'll figure that out in a minute once I stop yapping. So, ow, my eyes are burning. Why do I always manage to get makeup in my eyes? Put the blue on. What do we think? My eyes are burning. I'm now thinking that it's very similar to the last look I did, but don't worry. I'll change it. I tried a few different things, but in the end, I didn't like how it was going. Okay, so it looks bad right now. That was an understatement. So, this is how far we've gotten now. Is this all making sense to you? Because it's not making sense to me. Okay, so I've started over. Fresh again. I've kept the yellow because I quite like the yellow actually. Sorry, I'm getting so close. I quite like the yellow, so I think I'm going for a whole different look. I'm keeping to the same theme. I think I can still see a bit of blue on my forehead, but I'm sure I can edit that out of the pictures, don't worry about that. I thought my eyes can be like the centre of it, so I'm going to put the yellow on the eyes. Then, oh god, then I'm going to put little ones all over with little clown markings on there as well. Okay, I'm back. I've completely changed the eye shape because I thought it'd make it more interesting. Ah, go away! You see where I'm going with this? Now everything starts to go a little bit more smoothly. So as you can see, I am drawing on tiny little flowers. And yeah, I don't know what else to describe here, to be honest. See? These look just so much better. And also it makes more sense because forget-me-nots are really tiny flowers. So why didn't I do this in the first place? You see? So, and now I'm going to do the other side. Cool. Okay. So there's a few on that side, a few on that side. Got it? Cool. And I'm trying to sort of avoid my hair because there's no point in doing some underneath if you're not going to see them. You know what I mean? Okay? Cool. Now I'm using cream makeup for the black detailing of the clown markings and stuff. Yeah. I always do this as a little extra little flair, but I like to do the little smile lines because it just looks funky. I don't know. So yeah, this is looking a lot better than it did. What do I need to add? Oh! Ta-da! Lipstick. It's fruity. Oh, that's good stuff. Stop smudging. Does that look okay? You know what will fix that? Ta-da. So it won't get on my teeth. Hopefully not, anyway. Mascara. Give your eyes that whoosh effect. I think we're complete with the look. I think this looks alright. Now, let me take you on an adventure to choose some clothes, and I'll show you how I do my photo shoot. Cool. Okay, lovely. Let's do that. Please just stay. Just gonna stay there. Gonna be good for me. That was weird. Sorry, didn't mean to say that. I'm not showing you in here because it's a mess. Okay, you don't get it. It's my mess that I know where everything is. Okay. But I'm gonna I'm gonna ask you to help me, even though you can't answer me. Okay, I used this one ages ago. Have I used it recently? I don't think I have. So it's this, and I thought the yellow is nice, little accent, you know. It's supposed to be like a sleep thing, but I don't wear it for sleep, I wear it for fashion. It's a choice. Oh dear. I'm very blind without my glasses on. So we got also this is very crumpled, I know. Shh. Blue. Forget me not, you get what I mean. I guess I can find something yellow to put underneath it. I don't know if I have anything. Well, I might have a sweater, but it's hot out there. Pew! Could I combine the two? No, I can't. Oh, actually, yeah, I think I could go with the blue. I've got something, hold on. I use it as a summertime sort of dressing gown thing. It's a little see-through, you know? So I put that on top, which is the white in the flower, you get me? And then, what do we got in here? I don't have a lot of yellow. What am I to do? Don't look, what are you doing? Hey! Don't look. Hey! What did I say about looking? I got this, but it is a button up top. It's also got padding, which could get in the way of it, I think. Were you looking again? I saw I caught you looking again. This, but it has turtleneck. So, yeah. I'm gonna be boiling out there. I think I just forget about the yellow. We'll just do the rest. I think that'll be fine, won't it?
Okay, so now on to the fun part. This is how I take pictures. I need to empty out my space first, and I usually put it on a 10-second countdown so that I can, have time to get into position. And yeah, this is, basically just what happens every single time I take a photo shoot.
Go somewhere else. Tiger, please, I just want to do some pictures. Okay, I'm back in now. I get tired of doing that. I didn't expect it to be so blustery out there. I'm going to take all this off now.
So yes, that concludes our adventure for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is just me taking off the rest of the makeup. It was fun. I hope you enjoyed this too.